Welcome back. Konkan Railway Skybus Metro pilot project at Margao is on hold as the KRCL is facing fund crunch. The status of the Skybus is on hold as KRC is running under losses. KRC is looking out for a global investor, but no investor seems interested in this project at this stage.
The test track of 1.6 kilometers for the Skybus is lying as it is at Margao since its inception. The ambitious project was taken up by the KRCL. Babush Monsara, during the ongoing assembly session, raised the question on the present status of Skybus. Transport Minister Sudhin Daulikar replied, "Skybus hanging. Project has its own period. Project on hold due to fund crunch. Skybus test track requires maintenance. No response from investors." It was decided to sign an MOU with the Research Design and Standards Organization. KRCL is waiting response from the RDSO till date. The cost of the Skybus project was estimated at 49.51 crores. However, funds worth almost 1,000 crores are required to go ahead with the project. Due to losses incurred by the KRC, the work on the project has been kept on hold. Skybus off the track. Construction of test track 49.51 crore. More funds needed 1,000 crore. Accumulated loss of KRCL 3,310.36 crore. Bonds liability 1,666.70 crore. Deployment of Skybus technology is possible only after the optimization of technology and certification for public usage. However, no time frame has been fixed for commencement of this project. The fate of KRC's ambitious project is uncertain. With bureau inputs, reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
The subcommittee under the High-Powered Committee on Garbage met on Saturday in Margao. They've decided to start door-to-door garbage collection from 1st May in Margao and Fatorda. Subcommittee has decided to commence the drive from Fatorda constituency on trial basis.
The subcommittee formed under the High-Powered Committee met to chalk out modalities of door-to-door garbage collection. The garbage collection will once again be on trial basis. Margao MLA Digambar Kamath, Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai, and Chief Officer of Margao Dipali Naik are the members of the committee.
We have decided to formulate a proper plan of action. Accordingly, number one, proper data collection will be immediately tendered for collecting data of the entire Margao city, which will give us a clear picture as to the number of houses, number of people, practically all the details. Number two, it has been decided that we start on trial basis.
आम्ही आता फोमेंतो कडेन उलयल्या आनीक म्युनिसिपालिटीचे स्टाफ विल रिक्वायर सम स्टाफ मोर एंड अवेरनेसूय करचें पडटलें ड्राय एंड वेट सेग्रिगेशना खातीर करचें पडटलें.
ट्रायल घेतली तरी सुद्दां आमी बाकीचो अदर डेटा वी आर मेकिंग सायड बाय सायड रेडी कॉन्क्रीट डेटा एंड दॅट डेटा ऑल्सो विल बी यूज फॉर टॅक्सेशन पर्पज एवरीथिंग एंड अदर मल्टीपर्पज यूजेस.
Door-to-door garbage collection drive will commence from 1st of May. Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Save Goa from plastic is the aim of the government. South Goa Collector N.D. Agarwal directed all the Mamlatdars in South Goa to keep South Goa clean from plastic. Anti-plastic drive was held at Savode and Kudsade on Saturday.
ऑब्झर्वेशन केलें तर हांगा प्लास्टीक आसलें तें आमी आयज तांचे कडच्यान तें काडून घेतलां आनी सांगे काणकोण मडगांव वास्को आनी हाजे जे सगळे दुसरी जागे जे सुद्दां आसात ते सुद्दां आमचे वेरियस जे आमचे मामलतदार जे आसात तांणी सगळ्यांनी इनिशिएटीव घेवन हो प्रोग्राम हे केला आनीक सक्सेसफूल आमी सगळें करतले अशें आमकां मेन म्हळ्यार अवेरनेस करूंक जाय लोकांक कितें प्लास्टीक वाचोवप हें करपाचें वापरपाचें ना आनीक आमचें गोंय तातूंत वाचोवपाचें तर प्लास्टिकाची कितें भस्मासूर जालां की एवरीवेर सगळे जाण प्लास्टीक 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 आनी कितें आसा लोकांक एक अवेरनेस येवूंक जाय की आमी प्लास्टीक वापरचें ना म्हणून.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.